Trend that is scary to me is, again, our healthcare has been very fragmented, and a lot of it stems from a broken primary care system in our healthcare. Because there is no good primary care access, people are going to T clinics and sometimes getting testosterone off the streets. And that is a dangerous trend, in my opinion, because when you go to a T clinic, they are focusing on that one problem, but are they taking that testosterone into context of your overall health? Who is looking for your overall health? So getting testosterone evaluation, treatment, and ongoing monitoring can be done a lot better at primary care level than, again, getting it at fragmented T clinics. Because when you do testosterone replacement, there are certain things you have to be very careful of. Overdoing it can lead to issues. The other important thing to talk about when we talk about testosterone is pricing. We were actually very surprised to see how much a lot of our patients who now we take care of, when they were going to T clinics, how much they were spending on a monthly basis to have a consultation, to get the drug, for the lab work. Everything was way more expensive at those clinics than it is in traditionally in direct primary care clinics. For example, to check your testosterone panel, the cost with us is $12. And to actually get the drug testosterone, the cost is about 60 to 80 bucks for about a 3-month supply. So significant drop of cost, as well as a lot better quality of care when testosterone replacement is done through a primary care office instead of in a fragmented way. If you are ready to get comprehensive primary care and have a personal physician who is looking out for your overall health and not just bits and pieces, please go to our website at firstprimarycare.com and see how you can experience world-class healthcare.